Hey guys, in this video we're going to go through the rational number operations quiz review. Okay, so remember thinking about if we should go fractions or decimals. So this one's sixth, so that means we need to keep it, let me change colors here. We need to keep it as fractions because it doesn't, it is a repeating. Okay, so cartwheel around 6 times 1 plus 1. 7, 6. Remember the dot means multiply. Cartwheel this one around. 9, 8. I'm going to cross simplify, divide both by 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 goes into 21 one time with 5 left over. Denominator stays the same. Sleeping dog, we've got 2 negatives, which becomes one negative and 1 positive. So our negative answer, 1 5/16. So these ones are already decimals. So 9.6, 0.04, slide baby slide twice, slide baby slide twice. That means that you got to add that 0 placeholder. Okay. I'm going to rewrite it just to make it a little prettier. 4 goes into 9 2 times. 1 left over, bring down the 6. 4 goes into 16 4 times. Bring the 0 down. Yes, you have to have the 0. 4 goes into 0 0 times. 0 left over. 1 positive and 1 negative. So our answer is negative 240. Remember, the fraction bar means division. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do keep, change. So I have that. So 1 1/5 plus 3.5. Easy to change it to be negative, decimals. So 1/5 becomes 2/10, which is 1.2. Okay. So now we are going to add them. So 3.5 plus 1.2, 4.7. Okay. Okay, next one, same signs, add and keep. Okay, so they're both fractions. You could go decimals, you could go fractions. I'll do both. 2 2/5 plus 1 1/10. Which is 4/10. 4 plus 1 is 5/10. 3, so it equals 3 1/2. Keep the sign. If you went decimals, you would do 2.4, 2/5, 4/10, plus 1 1/10, negative 3.5. Either way is fine. This one, I would definitely go decimals, obviously. Remember, you don't have to line them up. You can push them over. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 0, 7 plus 1 is 1. 7 plus, there we go. Tick, tack, toe. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 4, 7, 7, 3. 3 places behind the decimal. 1 positive, 1 negative. So our answer is negative 3,774 thousandths. So this next one, you could go either way. I'm going to go fractions just because it'll kind of like that already. So 2/5 divided by 4 over 1. 2/5 times 1/4. Cross simplify. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Negative to negative is a positive, 1/10. If you got 0.1, that would be fine as well. Okay, different sign, subtract. So put the bigger number on top. 3.49, 2.36. 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 1, 1. Keep the sign of the larger, so it's going to be positive. For this one, I am going to go decimals. So 3/5 is 6/10, which is 0.6. So I'm going to multiply 4.7 times 0.6. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28. Whoops. Said the right thing. I wrote the wrong thing. 2 places behind the decimal. And our 1 positive and 1 negative, it's negative 2 82 hundredths. So I'm going to go decimals. 2 fifths is negative 2.4. So 2.4 divided by 0.15. Slide baby slide, add the 0. So 240 divided by 15. 15 goes in once. So 9 left over. Bring down the 0. It goes in 6 times. 0. So our answer is negative and a positive. Your sleeping dog. 1 negative, 1 positive is negative 16. So this one we definitely need to do fractions because of the third. Okay. So this is going to be 12 and 3/10. Different signs subtract. So 12 and 3/10. 9 and 1/3. So 9/30 and 10/30. Okay, let's borrow. So we're going to add 30/30. So that's 39/30 minus 10 is 29/30. 11 minus 9 is 2. Keep the sign of the larger, which was 12, so negative. You guys are going to do great on your quiz.